guys, welcome to the Human Cuber channel, and this is Genry Hong Cube Everything. So first of all, I saw many YouTubers promoting the best budget buy YUHU V2M, better than the Galaxy V2, or is the most valuable magnetic Megaminx. So it looks quite cool though. So I'm thinking about buying it and check it out. What is the difference between the YUHU V2M magnetic Megaminx and the others like Gun Megaminx. So I'm going to use Shopee because Shopee is one of the, I can say, um, best and most convenient online shop store in Malaysia. So I'm going to use this one. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna buy this one and check it out. What is the difference between the Megaminx? So stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
What's up, guys? Great to be back to the Human Cuber channel, and this is the YUHU V2M that I just talked about last time, and it just arrived to my doorstep. So let's check it out. So let's look at the box first. This is the barcode for the yjq.com, and this is the box. Quite smooth though, and the design is quite nice. The word Chinese words, and this is all the how can I say, all the P and C things, and all the things saying about cannot let the children below 3 years old to play this.
What the fuck?
So inside the cube has a instruction paper that teach you how to solve this Megaminx. As you can see, it's in dual language. It means in Chinese and English. And this is the cube, the YJ Yongjun Mofang YJ-V2M. So let's have some wood first. It's quite nice though. It has some turns and some spins. This cube is like quite heavy, and it's not that smooth that I think it should be, and it's saying about magnetic, as you can see here, magnetic cube, but actually I can't feel the magnet. I can feel the weight of the magnet, but I can't feel the magnet. So I don't know what the hell is happening. So it's quite funny though, but this cube is quite nice because it's very smooth and the price is very cheap. But the worst thing is you can't feel the magnet. So if you want to buy this cube as like if you are a beginner of solving Megaminx, so you can try to choose this one instead of others cube. So in my opinion is this is the, I can say is this is the best and is the most valuable cube, Megaminx cube, that I ever seen before. So if you just a beginner of a Megaminx solver, so please you can try to think to buy this cube, because I prefer this cube for all the beginners of the Megaminx, because as you are a beginner, you're not going to attend any competition, so you no need to buy such like GameCube or silicon cube or any expensive cube. You can just buy a very I can't say like very cheap. You can just buy a very variable cube just for you to learn, and afterwards if you learn like you think that you're very good solver of Megaminx, then you have to like attend competition, then you can try to buy others like gain Megaminx or others more expensive and more suitable for competition. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends so I can make more video for you guys. So this is all about the unboxing of Megaminx. Ciao.